electrical vehicles, and they are using solar panels.
We get so many health problems by roadside foods in cities.
After the implement of Swachh Bharat by Narendra Modi, nowadays cities are developed and they are very hygienic and they are cleaning their surroundings.
It is in cities only, not in villages, and many vehicles like motor vehicles and petrol. Nowadays, petrol bikes are using. Nowadays, they are using, and roads are very polluted.
In their place which they have, and they are using the updated skills to plant trees and grow vegetable plants such as brinjal like that, and they are using healthy. They are taking care of their health and they are very hygienic.
Such types of techniques are not good for our health, and modern techniques are very good for our health nowadays. And in villages, we can talk to each other, we can talk to our neighbors freely, and we can
Nowadays,
talk.
now we see in past we will get only 30 to 40 bags of rice for 1 acre of land. But nowadays we are getting up to 70 or 80 bags because they are using pesticides and like that. They will harm our health. But if we see in city, they are growing those type of plants in their gardens and like that. But they are not using.
Hi friends, I am Likta. I stand for you to speak a few words about village life.
Hi friends, now I would like to say a few words about city life and the importance of city life. City life is living in a city is most advantageous thing. We can have a lot of job opportunities and we can earn a lot of money in city. With this money we can take care of our family, parents etc. Starting.
Continue.
Now I would like to share few words about the importance of city life. People who are living in city feel they are most advantageous and developed because the way of thinking and everything is different when compared to village life. Village people always believe in superstitions, but in city life practical knowledge is seen in every people. They have lot of money in their hands. They can do whatever they think and they can earn a lot of money. They can take care of their parents etc.
But if we see means nowadays in our country more villages are being decreased. But if we need a good income for our country means we need more villages. Means we need agriculture work more and more. If we see in cities means they are all are agriculture. These products are being by means many. From means if we need to we like to eat chicken means they are growing those chickens within a few days by giving some injections. Those are so poisonous. But if we see in villages means we need, the hens they used to grow hens for months and months, and those are very good for our health also.
City. She spoke about just the chicken and those type of things. But coming to city, we can take if something happens unexpectedly, even though at midnight, we can have hospitals nearby. Well transport is also provided. We can go to hospital within seconds and we can solve our problems. Education is also provided wherever necessary. There are big schools which can provide good quality of education. So there is nothing should be spent for traveling or something. That the schools and hospitals are nearby, so it is easy to educate our children and take care of them in health wise. So I think city is best when compared to village.
Now he is saying that if you want to go any hospital means we used to travel more and more. But in practical, if we think means if in a village we used to have good medicines means by nature only, and many people are coming to build factories and many industries for village only. They are not building in cities, no. So in my opinion, village life is best.
Cities are already surrounded with industries and natural medicines. But in case of pregnancy or something, in case of unexpected accidents, what should the people do if they are not having proper hospitals nearby? So they can't face these type of problems. For in such cases, city life is more advantageous when compared to village life.
But nowadays it is not possible because nowadays all are using Ayurvedic medicines for good health, and so those all are coming from village only. If we go to any village means if we are having any cold or cough, they don't wear any medicines. They just drink some miryalu, kashayam like that. So those are better, and those are also good for our health also. So it is not possible in cities. If we see in cities means they used to wear for every little thing also they used to wear some tablets, and they are getting unnecessary diseases. So in city life is best.
We all talk to everyone as casual, but if we go on, everyone has to work for our future, in our future, because everyone is working casually. But if we learn communication skills, we can talk another way, because communication helps us to talk easily and talk in other way which have a convincing nature. If there are so many people who didn't have communication, and they will talk only like normal people. If you know communication, you can easily convince, you have more words to explain a product. And if we go in market, there are so many people who are learning English, and if we know communication, you are one of the person in them, because they are spending more money to learn communication. And without communication nowadays, it is not important for a person to earn more money. Helps us to mingle with any person easily, and everyone has talking power, but they didn't have any proper knowledge about that. And in the learning of communication, they will learn the things about how to talk with other person. And if there are so many friends to you, and you are studying here only, and you will get job here only, but your friends also studied here only, and they got job in Europe, because they have communication skills. In foreign, they used to talk in English only, but you didn't have any knowledge about English. And if you know knowledge about English, you also get job in foreign. Like that, communication plays a vital role in all the places which is helpful to you. And coming to relatives, there are some relatives who are good, but they didn't have any knowledge about anything. If you talk vigorously anything, you need to have to explain. But that means every person want to talk about how we have to explain. For every process, there are so many steps. Like if we learn communication, they will tell how to explain that and how to make anyone to know about you. Like that, communication helps in every process to explain about us. Nowadays, there are so many schools, which national schools and international schools. But comparing to national schools and international schools, why they are that type? Because there is a communication and all the things which I have. But in normal school, they didn't have so like that.
Here I am to talk about women empowerment. Nowadays we are seeing in our society, women is given more preference than men, because they had known the importance of women, and women are playing a vital role in our society, and they are showing their capacity towards everything. They are doing their jobs in every sector, like industrial or education or the sectors which are present to us. When coming to industrial sector, the women are working day and night with equal to the men, and when coming to education sector, they are working as teachers and lecturers and many other. They are playing they are showing much more importance to their work, and they are showing more importance, and they are giving more importance to the society. And they are giving much more importance to the society, and they are giving more importance to their parents. And when coming to the other when coming in our society, they are playing a vital role. They are not giving up for every small thing. They are just supporting to the other people who are.
Hi friends, my name is Anand Sai. Now I am going to tell about college positives. In this college, there are many positive things like good faculty, nice management, and we should thank our principal sir to giving such type of CRT sessions. which helps us to get a job in MNC. And also there are many positives like water purifying machines, fans, lights at classroom, generator whenever current was gone, generator will on. And also mainly we should give preference to faculty because everyone will give their best to improve knowledge for students. Next, principal sir. Our college principal Jagdish sir, he is very great because running this college with great talent and also giving more importance to CRT session because students who are studying in CRT definitely they will get a job in MNC. And next, coming to Sunday events, students will come to Sunday classes because they need to get some knowledge and also as well as with entertainment. In normal classes, students will enjoy at Sunday. Students will enjoy at Sunday like playing cricket and kabaddi, but Sunday sessions for only CRT people because they need to get a job after third year. So now onwards, from first year onwards, principals are started Sunday sessions. It is very entertainment and knowledgeable, and also many students will attend to that classes.
Hi friends, coming about this college, this is the best college I think in this Machilipatnam because they provide a lot of educational systems or coming about interior infrastructure in this college. It was very good and the way treating the faculty is very good.
And this college was providing CRT classes and as well as they were connecting the interviews and they were sending the knowledge students into some high level position by facing them interviews and they were training them by the CRT classes like technical skills by communication skills and this college was also providing as a good faculty and this college is a very good. This is one of the top colleges in Machilipatnam.
For facing interviews in future, they are training as general interviews. The HRs are coming from other companies and they are training us to prepare how to behave in front of HR and the body language and how we are communicating with them and how can we enroll our life in this company.
Faculties. And the faculty is also very nice and in summer days and our principal sir was getting the lecturers from ILM for special training.
Academics.
And academics was also good and they teach us very well and they were also have friendly nature with students and they will also have some good knowledge in the subject.
Our faculty, they was very nice. They treat us in a good manner, and they not teach us only in academics. They teach us to how to live in society and how to behave in society, and what we need to succeed in our life. Like this, they used to take care of us in the class, and they give precautions like this. Come on,
and our principal sir is Jagdish sir. He's a very good person and he's a great person. You know, and he running this college on his own hands, and he's a good person and he will be there for any situation and he will give some permissions if there was any important work or any important thing.
So first time I want to thankful Jagdish sir because he providing so many facility to us. One of time I was shocked because in this time only he was planning, he was teaching us CRT classes and as well as he checking the other sections and the communication between the HRs and he was training us very well.
And CRT coming to CIT and whole Machilipatnam CIT classes will take in this Balsai college only, and this due to our Jagdish sir. And the CIT class means campus recruitment training, and in this section only we will be trained by communication skills and technique as well as technical skills, and they will teach us body language and how to behave and how to improve ourselves and improve our good attitude, and they were trained as a good persons, and they were releasing us into the society as a good person in the top level in the society.
CIT, it is the backbone for a future. The trainer or the guider who teaching us these CIT classes is very good. Chandrasekhar sir teaches us very well, because he mingle with all members, and these CIT classes held on Sunday classes also, because in Sunday classes they are providing us entertainment purpose, and how to be how to lodge the stage fear, and they are teaching in many qualities. Overall.
And overall, this is the best college in Machilipatnam, and they was providing the good faculty and the good environment, and as well as a good facilities in this college.
Overall, coming about this college or Nandaran CIT, it was very good and fine, and it will more useful for the future generation.
Hi guys, myself Srisha. Stand before you to talk about Sunday classes. Sunday classes means they provide many opportunities which we doesn't use in regular classes. We can prove ourselves in Sunday classes.
Hi friends, my name is Sunita. I stand before you to talk about Sunday classes. In Sunday classes, regular classes, we know how to talk with others, and Sunday classes, communication skills with also entertainment programs will be there, and we will enjoy, and we also increase our communication skills.
In Sunday classes, we can learn some more things which we doesn't learn in other classes. We don't learn in Sunday classes. That means some other kinds of which we don't know the things we learn in Sunday classes. We can enjoy in Sunday classes.
Which we are preparing a whole.
చెప్తున్నాను సార్.
Which we are learn whole week. We which we are learning in whole day. We perform in Sunday classes. We give our best, and Sunday programs we conducted competition between the groups, and in that competition we prove ourselves, and in the teams one team is won and another team lose, but they depends on their knowledge and capability.
In Sunday classes, we can learn how to speak that seminars and debates, some other kinds of jam sessions. Many competitions will keep in Sunday classes, and debates from one section to another section, and in that section we can win some game. In one day, one section will win, and another Sunday another section will win. In that Sunday competition, we don't think about winning and losing. Just we think about what we are learning in Sunday classes. We have to think like that.
Principals have provided so many facilities to us, and he provided CRT classes, and he provided HRs to other colleges, and they come and they teach us how to learn communication skills and how to improve our knowledge. And in this college, MPC students provided C language. In other college there is no C language, and we learn how to improve our knowledge, and technical rounds also.
Our faculty, that means in Balsai Degree College faculty members, they learn more things. That means they provide many good things which we don't know, and they are saying from textbooks onwards, they are teaching very good things, and how to behave in class, and how to behave in in society, like that.
CRT classes. In our CRT classes, the Chandrasekhar sir learn many programs to us, teach many programs to us. In CRT classes, hi friends, good evening to everyone. Today I would like to say about CRT classes. In CRT classes, our Chandrasekhar sir teaches us many communication things.
Hi friends. Hi friends. In our CRT class, Chandrasekhar sir teaches us many more things like how to behave with others and how to behave in the public and how to talk with the people who are in the society and how to behave in the society.
Sir said about many of the things which we don't know, and he teaches us how to talk with others and how to increase our communication skills and how to learn other things which we don't know.
Not only how to talk, they are teaching us how to use the tenses in the sentence formation and how to talk when the HRs and HRs came and how to mingle with each other and how to.
In Sunday classes, Chandrasekhar sir teaches and some of the classes and which are useful to us, and in those classes we have in those classes some of the competitions are also conducted in Sunday classes.
In Sunday classes, there were conducted many programs like jam sections and seminars and debate rounds. In those rounds, we can perform our level best. That means in regular classes, what we learn, in the Sunday classes, we will prove ourselves in the Sunday classes.
Hi friends, I am Channa. I am saying about general knowledge topics which we learn in CRT classes. In our CRT classes, SAR tells more about general knowledge topics because in our lifestyle we have to know the general topics which are happening in the society, and the interesting topics also know in the CRT classes.
Hi friends, this is Priyanka. I would like to say about the general topics. Our sir teaches so many general topics which is useful in daily life. In our daily life, our sir teaches so many things like other states, what is happening in the society.
Seminars, and in our in CRT classes, for every day there will be one seminar to know about the topics, because if we prepare for the seminar we can know about the topic briefly, and it can help to some other students also, because when we are telling the seminar, the people who are listening can also know about the topic.
In Damsarats, we have to explain to other members, like we have to say the Damsarats and we have to play more and more, and we have to use only hands and to say the other words which is given by the sir.
In debates, in Sunday programs, the debates are more performed by the students, because if the debate is between two members, then about the topic we can know the positives and negatives. While they are saying, they don't say the lies, because while they are saying, we can know about the topic, and they say briefly about the topic.
On the whole of CRT class, we learn so many things. Like we have to say the seminar daily, and we have to argument with other members, like debate and role play. And in CRT classes, we have to learn so many communication skills, and we have to be in the great position.
Coming to in the CRT, the whole programs are conducted by CRT sir, and not only saying about the topics or anything, they should conduct Damsharats also, because to increase our body language while saying any topic, like that they should conduct charades and seminars, debates. There are so many things which we learn in CRT classes.
Hi friends, my name is Manganda. Now I am going to say about our principal sir, Ms. Jagadish sir. He is very cool and nice person. He is very kind and he maintains everything in a polite manner, and he is very careful about all the students who are studying in his college. Next.
Jagadish sir, Jagadish sir has so much of responsibilities to maintain this college, and he maintains the time limits to come to college at a particular time. He conducted CRT classes to us to have a better future to us. Jagadish sir is a great principal in our college.
And he mainly targets about communication skills, which are very useful for all the daily life students who are studying in his college. And main reason for communication skills, teaching communication skills, is we have to live in society where we don't know anything, so we have to communicate with each other. So he is teaching us CRT classes so that we can improve our communication skills and to maintain body language so that we can talk to each other. Nice.
Rules and regulations in this college, rules and regulations are very strict. We have to follow the every rules and regulations in this college. First rules, I want to rules in this college. First, we have to come at the timings. In this college, there are some of the rules. We have to talk in English in the classrooms, and we should not talk with girls. And these are some of the rules and regulations in the college are maintained by the person, and we also confirm these types of rules and regulations in college.
The first main rule is for every class there is a CC camera provided. If we do any naughty things or if we talk with girls, we would be caught in the CC camera, and we are called to the principal sir cabin, and we are given lecture for that, so that we avoid talking with girls, and we should not come late to the classes so that we cannot miss the classes and we can be concentrating in academics and in the CRT classes, so that we can develop our communication skills and we can develop our academic skills also.
College we have regular farewell parties, freshers parties and fest also. We enjoyed a lot in that, and we show our talents in those shows.
By enjoying these all parties, we will get some enjoyment, and we can make more relation with the students which are studying in other courses also.
We have a great communication, we have a great relation with our faculty, and they make us more to enjoy a lot, and we enjoy a lot on the day, and we have a great lunch with teachers and friends, other friends also. Saraswati.
If freshers party and Ignite Day is one part, and the other part is the Saraswati Puja. It is done in our final year. We are giving more. By this we can understand that everyone is giving more preference to our God, and they are taking blessing at the last of the ending of the year. Everyone is taking the blessing of the teachers as well as the God at the same time.
And we have great placements here, and in Machilipatnam, Balsa is one of the best college to join because we are getting more placements. We get many jobs in MNCs like TCS, Infosys and other companies, and our college teaches us more and more, and they guide us how to get jobs in MNC. They give the training for MNC jobs from first year itself.
And Sunday events, we will by performing all the games which are conducted to us by our CRTs here. By that we are increasing our challenging nature, and we can stand in front of everyone and we can say that I am ready to do this work, and we are more interested to do everything or every event which is given to us in a perfect way. And
we are building very strong, because if we are if we are in Sunday classes, we used to conduct, sir used to conduct many competitions with other classes also. At the time, if winning, losing, it is another matter, but we learn how to defeat with others, and we are building our own self-confidence also.
Hi guys, I am here to say about the motivation. Hi guys, I am here to say about the motivation classes which were held in CRT classes. There are so many motivation classes and in many topics, because in every class there are exam failure, love failure, and a bad relation between parents, and all these motivation speeches helps everyone to know what is right and what we have to do in that situation.
So most of the people are not good in communication. So these motivation classes are useful for those people, and some of the people are getting depressed for the things which are saying by the sirs. They are scolding them for small issues. When coming to CRT, Sir Chandrasekhar sir and students themselves, they are motivating themselves, and sir also helping for their motivation, and they are getting a lot of energy and good environment by this class.
We know that motivation is one word and aggressive is another. In aggressive speeches, there is a topic which is given by the sir, and the person who knows all the things about that will explain it aggressively. And aggressive speeches helps us to a man to change himself, because every person want a change in his life, because if he is moving in bad way, aggressive speeches helps us to change his way and to move in right way.
So as well as CRT class is part of all activities, and in that dance is also one of the main part, and by keeping dance programs and this kind of format, it's really a good thing. It helps students a lot. By dancing, they can lose their stage fearness, and they can speak aggressively and in a good way without getting any fear. So, and by dancing, they can also forget their problems, and they can be happy for some time.
Now we see in CRT classes, Sunday classes, we have a package of activities like dancing, singing, seminars, motivation, aggressive speech. There are so many. When I play debates, martial arts, there are so many. Sir encourages us to perform one activity, because if we perform one activity, that helps us to improve our skills. Every person have their own skill in all the ways. The sir helps us to improve our skill in all, and by dancing we will lose our stage fear. By singing we can get a center while talking, and
when compared to Sunday classes, in regular classes, sir and we will learn how to speak without grammar mistakes and fluently. But when it comes to Sunday classes, we will execute the things which we have learned in regular classes. And in Sunday classes, there are a lot of activities like singing, dancing, and dumb-shots. These all are in this format. These programs are playing a very important role. By participating in these programs, students are getting they are losing their fearness, stage fear, and lot of things, and they are speaking fluently and without any breaks, without any grammar mistakes.